As for why we see different stars each season, here's one other big clue. Think about the fact that we can only see stars at nighttime, when the side of the Earth you're on has turned away from the sun, like this. When you're right here, it's the middle of the night, and so you can see the stars. But when you're over here, now it's the middle of the day. You can't see any stars in the daytime because the sun is shining so brightly. You can only see stars when you're facing away from the sun. Are you starting to understand it yet? So, the reason you only see Orion in the winter months is because the stars of Orion are actually located over here in this direction of space. And that's where the nighttime side of the Earth is facing during the winter months. Then, the reason Orion disappears by springtime is because now the Earth has come over to this part of its orbit. When you look out into the night sky in spring, you're looking off into a new direction of the universe. You can't see Orion anymore. Instead, you see whatever stars are over here, stars like those in the constellation Leo. So, each season, as you go outside at night to look at the stars, you're looking off into a different direction of the universe. In summer, you're looking out in this direction, and so seeing summer constellations like Scorpius. And in fall, now you're looking out into this direction, seeing constellations like Cygnus. You can see why 1 year later, Orion appears to have come back. I mentioned before, you can think of Earth's orbit as like a giant racetrack around the sun. Now you can see it really is like a racetrack, and it means the Earth is a lot like a spaceship racing around on that racetrack. When you look out into the night sky, you're looking out the window of the spaceship, looking off into the universe. So every time you look at the stars now, you can take this bigger perspective on what you're seeing. You're looking out the window of a spaceship going in a giant racetrack around the sun. Get outside tonight and look. What constellations do you think you'll find? From now on, you can look at the stars from this new spaceship perspective. Which direction of the universe will you be looking out at from our spaceship Earth?